me, Cherry. Welcome to my channel. I am at the Japanese Garden downtown Houston. This is my first time being here and I am so excited to see what's out here. And I know my sister's been here a couple times with her hubby and they told me it was a great place to be. So this is my off day, and you know how I love to be relaxed on my off day, guys, and I love parks and anything nature-esque. So I'm gonna take you guys on a little tour. Oops, my camera cut off. So I'm gonna take you guys on a tour of the Japanese garden, and hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as I do. See you guys soon. My first time here. See what it says? But it didn't say video though. So peaceful. I just love trails. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, that's right. Beautiful too. Oh. It's such a nice day today. It's a little humid, but the sun went down, so that helps a lot. I just love being outside with nature, guys. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you guys love my videos with my parks and my walks and stuff like that. I'm actually not even dressed for walking because I have sandals, jeans and a shirt, and not my regular workout gear, but it's my off day and I just wanted to relax, and no better way to relax than being out in nature. And it's actually free too. I thought the Japanese garden I had to pay, but actually was free. Parking was a hassle, but it was worth it. And don't forget to like my videos, guys. And thank you so much as well for watching this video and all my other videos. And don't forget to subscribe. And welcome to my channel. And thank you for my existing subscribers for your support. So let me see what else I can see here to show you guys. Anything of interest. And there's a lot of greenery here. But as I said, this is my first time here. So I'm gonna tour around and see what else I can find that might be interesting for you guys. Look at all the trees. The little squirrel. Hey! Okay, now I hope this dog don't chase me. You know, ducks like to chase people. Or is it geese? The geese, or the geese chases, not the ducks. The bridge in the water. It's kind of muddy right here.
Small.
Yeah. I wonder if it's like, I wonder if there's other parts that's shaped, because the ones I saw online, they had like pictures of looking like Japanese stuff, buildings. Yeah, like the shape, the architecture, not just grass, but like you know, Japanese stuff.
Like that little shape. Like
yeah. Okay, so we have to go on the stepping stones. Oops. 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 Oh, that's not working.
what?
Watch your step. In the water. I should have worn tennis shoes for this. Oh, saw the squirrel again. Oh, look, the fish. That's a big koi. And the turtles over there.
Look at the turtle there.
And there's a turtle right there. It's okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
That's cool. But they're gonna attack us because.
Why is his mouth like that?
Oh, that's a different one. This one, the one they come. This is the one they.
Wait,
they
no,
follow.
the mouth is strange.
This is the one they follow.
Okay guys, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.